cooking. So what we're going to cook today is Fully Loaded Celery from Volume 2. So what you're going to need is 3 ounces chickpea, 2 ounces plain Greek yogurt, half an ounce or 1 tablespoon of mayo. You're going to need feta cheese, half an ounce of lemon juice, a 1/4 teaspoon of dill, an 1/8 teaspoon of garlic salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of basil, some salt and pepper, onion, and celery. Now I've already washed my celery and it was quite dirty, so I would recommend washing it before, and I've peeled my onion. So let's start. So first we're going to turn our scale on, and I'm going to get out 3 ounces chickpeas. So let's measure it. Now this is canned chickpeas. I'm not sure how it would work with soaking your chickpeas before. It would probably work the same, but I like to get canned chickpeas because it just cuts out a couple steps for me. Oop, too much. Alright, so we have our chickpeas. So now I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to just lightly mash the chickpeas, and it's okay if there's some chunks. So just squish it in there. Just get all of them at least a little bit mashed. Now this does not work in a blender because it would puree the chickpeas, and that's just not the texture we're going for. We're going for a little bit chunkier. So once they're pretty much mashed, with a couple still intact, that's okay. It's going to kind of look like this. Then let's get our Greek yogurt. So I have a spoon. I'm going to move my book. We're going to do 2 ounces of Greek yogurt, so I'm going to push the 0 on my scale. We're going to get 2 ounces Greek yogurt. I like Greek yogurt because the texture is a little bit creamier and there's more protein in it, so it keeps you fuller longer. But you could use plain yogurt. It might be a little bit runnier. So that's 2 ounces. Then I'm going to do my 1/2 ounce of mayo. Whoever thought of putting mayo in a squeezable bottle, I love them. Just a little bit more, because we want 1/2 ounce. There we go. Then we're going to get our 1/2 ounce of feta cheese. Now this is just a block of feta cheese, but you can get it already crumbled. So I'm going to 0 my scale and put in a 1/2 ounce. 1/8 ounce, 1/4 ounce. There we go. Then we're going to do a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. So I'm going to 0 my scale again. Pour in my lemon juice. You could use fresh lemon juice if you want from a lemon, and even put some lemon zest in there and make it a little bit more lemony. 1/2 ounce. Then we're going to do our spices. So I'm going to move the book over here. So we're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of dill. Then we're going to do an 1/8 teaspoon of garlic salt. And a 1/2 teaspoon of basil. And then salt and pepper to taste. So that's up to however salty you want it. So we're going to mix this all up. Now this works also as a dip too if you don't want to load your celery if you're going to go on the road, or it's just less messy to dip your celery in it, but it looks prettier when you do it. that is good. Loaded with tons of flavor, and the feta cheese just adds so much. Then you can side this with 6 ounces of fruit for a complete lunch, and you're good to go. Now I'm going to have this for lunch. Thanks for watching. With joy, Natalie.